Hi viewers, today's session we discuss basic maths, that is convert the following into seconds. Convert the following into seconds. Here first one is given that hours. Now we convert into seconds. Second problem, minutes. We convert into seconds. And days, this is converted into seconds. So now, first of all, we discuss first problem, 5 hours solution. Already we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So that implies 1 hour is equal to, we convert it into seconds, 60 into 60 seconds. So that implies, now we find 5 hours into seconds. So 5 hours is equal to 5 into, so 1 hour means 5 hours. 5 into 1 hour is 60 into 60. 60 into 60 seconds. So that is equal to 6 are 36. 5 into 6 are 36. 360. So 2 zeros. 6 are 36. 1, 2. 2 zeros. Now we multiply 36 into 5. So 36 into 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15. Plus 15, 18. So that is equal to 180. So here 2 zeros are there. So therefore 5 hours is equal to 18,000 seconds. 18,000 seconds. Now second problem, 28 minutes. Now we are converted into minutes to seconds. Already we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So that implies 28 minutes is equal to 28 into 60 seconds. Now we multiply 28 into 60. So first of all we find 28 into 6. 6 8 are 48. 6 2 are 12. 12 4 16. 168. So here 0 is there. So 16800. 1680 seconds. So therefore 28 minutes is equal to 1680 seconds. 1680 seconds. Next, third problem, 3 days. Third problem, 3 days. So already we know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now we are converted days into seconds. That is 3 days is equal to, so first of all we convert into hours. So 3 into 24 hours. 3 into 24 hours. After we are converted into hours into minutes. So 24 into hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes. So now we are converted into seconds. So that is equal to 3 into 24 into 60 into, so 1 minute is equal to how much? 60 seconds. So 60 seconds. So now totally converted days into seconds. Now we calculate this product. So that is equal to 3 into 24 into 6 6 are 36 00. Next 3 into 24. 3 into 24. 3 4 are 12. 3 2 are 6 72. So this can be written as 72 into here 3600. Now we multiply these two factors. So now 72 into 3600. First of all we leave 2 zeros. First of all we multiply 72 into 36. 6 to 6, 2 6 are 12. We write 2 here, and 7 6 are 42, and 3 2 are 6. Add these 3, 6 9 49. We write 9 here, and 7 3 are 21. 21 we add 4, 25. So 2592. 2592. Now we write 2 zeros here. So that means 2,59,200 seconds. So 3 days is equal to how much? 3 days is equal to 2,59,200 seconds. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.